Intel Livid AI revolutionizes video production with cutting-edge features and technology. This innovative platform offers voice-to-text transcription to streamline editing processes. Its advanced facial recognition software allows for easy identification of subjects.
Hello and welcome to this review of IntelliVid AI Studio. You have just seen a video that was made with IntelliVid AI Studio as an introduction. I'm going to review it and give an honest review because I have paid for this with my own money. Now, IntelliVid AI Studio costs $17, but you can get a coupon code IntelliVid3 that gives you $3 off. So let's have a look at this software and see if it's for you. So I've logged into IntelliVid AI Studio and we can see here we arrive at a dashboard. There's a training video which lasts about 3 minutes, and down the side we've got lots of features that we can't use without an upgrade. So let's first of all make a faceless video. So we click create on make the faceless video. So all we have to do is give some keywords. This is not a script. The script is generated behind the scenes. We don't get to see that. We need to give it a project name, pick the resolution and pick the language. We can also pick background music if we want. I want to do a script about Star Wars film timeline. So I'm just giving it that title and I'm going to give it a project name of SW, and I'm going to want a 16:9 landscape, and I'm going to have female Jenny Multicultural do my voiceover, and I'm not going to have background music on this one, but I'll show you background music later. So let's generate the video. So it takes a couple of minutes to generate the video and there's another step involved. So I'm going to come back once we hit that second step. So what it's done is it's built slides, and it's built 8 slides. Now, we don't get too much customization in this software. We can look at the slides and we can select if it has auto zoom or it has no animation. I'm going to leave all these on auto zoom. So we can't change this text. This text is fixed, even if there's an error that we want to get rid of. But we can change the picture. So this is okay, but if I click here, I can't upload my own picture. I can only search for stock. So I'm going to click search. I don't know where the stock is coming from. It's stock nonetheless. So I can keep loading more. I'm going to pick this one to replace it. So unfortunately, the picture for the slide hasn't updated. I'm just going to have to assume it's the right thing in the end. So we can go through and we can change the image and if it zooms in or not. We'll get text. We can pick where text goes. I'm going to leave it centered, and we can pick a base color. We can preview here.
In a galaxy far, far away, the Star Wars saga unfolds. A timeline rich with characters, conflicts, and iconic moments.
That's fine. So all I do now is I click export. It asks me if I'm sure, and I am sure, so I'm going to generate it. So I'm going to come back once that video is made.
In a galaxy far, far away, the Star Wars saga unfolds. A timeline rich with characters, conflicts, and iconic moments. From A New Hope to The Rise of Skywalker, the journey continues. Witness the rise of Anakin Skywalker and his fall to darkness.
You can also select portrait as well, and they tend to be under a minute as well, which is really useful. Now I'm going to put background music on for this. So we can pick our background music. I'm going to go for stylish lo-fi chill. And the reason I'm hesitant to include background music is quite often when I include background music with these things, I can end up getting a strike on YouTube. But let's generate the video anyway.
Step into a galaxy far, far away with the iconic Star Wars films. With their rich storytelling and epic battles, these movies have captivated audiences for generations. From the original trilogy to the latest entries in the series, each film brings new worlds and characters to life.
So what do I think of IntelliVid AI Studio? I think it's a really good idea that you just put in a keyword or a couple of keywords and you get a video at the end. I think that is a good idea. The problem is I don't like the fact that you can't do any editing, but I do understand why they've done that, to keep it simple, to have a really simple interface. And you do get a video, don't get me wrong. And the video I made with background music, I uploaded it to YouTube. I didn't get any copyright strikes, which is refreshing because quite often with these videos you do, and maybe the software hasn't fully got the license, I don't know, but I didn't get a copyright strike. So I think it's okay if you just want to make videos and you're not bothered about editing or changing the word or changing the stock footage, because the stock footage didn't seem to change when I reselected it. You know, this is fine if you're happy with those things. Me, I probably wouldn't use it because I wouldn't be happy with not being able to change the stock footage and having an inappropriate stock footage or piece of stock footage or photo. I don't know where the stock comes from. But other than that, I think it's okay. So please decide what you think and let me know if you think it's good value. Thank you. Goodbye.